Hello, my name is Todd Baggett, and I'm CEO and President of RedLine Solutions. Today we will be exploring lot traceability for field-packed items. RedLine Solutions has a suite of whole chain traceability applications that manage inventory and traceability from harvest to shipment. This enables PTI case and pallet labeling. It's an easy-to-use barcode-driven and standards-based system. We utilize mobile scanners which communicate over Wi-Fi or cellular and provide a complete audit log which includes the date, time, operator, and process of every transaction. We manage internal traceability and publish to external systems. Our open architecture allows for ease of integration, and our investment protection makes sure that your investment in our products move forward as you grow and expand. Now let's look at lot traceability in the field. First of all, tracing lots in the field, there's really a couple types of lots we should identify. A source lot is what identifies a distinctive batch or lot of a packed product. The grower lots identify the grower, ranch, and field of the harvest. And for field-packed items, the grower lot and packed lot are often the same, the exception being when the grower lots are further segregated into smaller packed lots. So why is traceability at the lot level important? Well, first of all, it's a fundamental element of all of the fresh food traceability initiatives, including the PTI and more recently the Food Safety Modernization Act, or FSMA. It includes a G10 when you want to get to whole chain traceability, and that G10 is the Global Trade Identification Number, and it identifies the brand owner as well as the commodity, variety, and pack style of the product that has been packed. So what is the PTI? It's the basis for whole chain traceability within the produce industry. There are 7 milestones which started in 2009 and conclude here in 2012. For definitive source on the PTI, please visit the website www.producetraceability.org. So whole chain traceability provides traceability from the harvest to the retail store or food service operator. It uses standards and technologies to provide traceability from the grower to the receiver and all handlers in between. What is required for PTI compliance? Printing and applying the PTI label to each case of product. That needs to include a lot number that can trace back to the harvest location and date, as well as the G10 that identifies the brand owner and product. The tracking provides lots and items are shipped to the customer, and you need to track the cases to the pallets, including any changes to those pallets, as well as track from the field through the cooler and any processing through to the shipment. You then place a hybrid pallet tag on each pallet prior to shipment to identify the contents, and then maintain electronic records for traceability. So let's look at the case label for a moment to see. Now there are best practices that are published on that PTI website, and the basic data elements include the G10, which is identified by the 01, the batch or lot number, which is identified by the prefix of the 10, and then the PTI voice pick code. Additional information that is commonly seen is also the commodity, variety, and size count, and this is used for the operators who would visually look at the label. So best practices for case labeling for field packed items require that the lot number be assigned and be specific to a location, as well as if the lot number crosses a date boundary, consideration should be given to the potential scope of the recall of that product. We also do not serialize case labels. Best practices for RPC labels is that RPCs require some additional specific information. They have to convey all the information on a single label or card. And on the label side of things, the label specs include the need for a synthetic or coated face stock and a water-soluble adhesive. That adhesive should be an FDA food-grade adhesive, as well as release at 140 degrees Fahrenheit. If you're using placards, you should use a heavyweight stock that is 80 to 110 pound stock, as well as having the coated face stock and have an optional adhesive to prevent blowaway. So what is required for PTI compliance? First of all, in preparation, you need to register with GS1 to obtain a company prefix. I've listed the URL here, and you'll see a screen capture from the left side of the screen that shows under I need a barcode that you need a company prefix. Once you've got this prefix, you can then assign GTINs to your products and share this information with your trading partners. So RedLine has two scalable field packing solutions. RedLine Field, which is a complete system for managing case traceability labeling for field packed items, as well as PTI Lite, which is a complete out-of-the-box solution for getting started with case labeling. We also provide labelers, rewinders, and hand applicators, as well as barcode printers and scanners that you could use if you have your own systems. In summary, 2013 will be a year in which we see more retailers adopting PTI. Configurability and scalability will be key, and flexible labeling and data collection are essential. Maintaining source lot traceability is critical to the process, and lot numbering should be specific to location. Commingling for shipments must be tracked, and RedLine has a variety of scalable traceability solutions for PTI case labeling. RedLine Solutions, your partner for inventory and traceability solutions.